I'm at Bangladesh Gurdwara. See, I have seen, today I was trying to talk to many people, many MPs, many people I spoke. I understood that everywhere. Today I understood that Sudhakar has been going to UK, so that this is the offer. And then that she is enjoying vacation for these all things. I am not even eating food and my blood and sweat and my parents are. Entire family, your children, Khandan, entire will get devastated. In this universe there is a truth here. Kachara party was dying inch and day by day, and then you are sucking that prostitute. Kachara kutte. Today I spoke to that Padida Basala. He's a kachara party doll and a flush has to cut and make to give it straight now. And then you are if you are going to stuck with that Vasia and that Matana kachara Vasia. Just count on her, each and every part of her body will make it. But wait, there will be time. Now for my 1 month, my time is bad. And you just and then I will make it. You are like a sham. You cannot leave also, can't take also. Like that stage I will put in if you are going it. Don't become like too much over smart. And I know you are feeling locked up, and there's nobody is challenging me there. You will take it to Gujarat on August 1st. What you will do like that? This is the way that bastard was telling in February also while taking into London. You will go. That's it. Kachara party. Rather than go and suck. Take care. What is her name? Priyanka Kachara. She is a number one double. Take your mother, daughter, and take and go. And then everybody is telling that I am putting. But my teeth are this and I am showing Kachara potty in each and every fellow has to be born alive. That's what you kind of doubles activity. Kachara potty street dogs born for multiple father and not in heavy. That is Narendra Snake Kachara for he's a number and double. That's the thing he's hiding, he's hijacking this whole thing because that national heart case and I know that Samputra, everybody's involved, right? See, all the fellows are selling at it. And Tony Gandhi, how much you sucked the man and how much you grab. Don't you feel shame, lady? Kachara. Then everybody high class projection and the 1 kilometer for none of the leaders or anybody is not a liberal fraud. If you are going with you, these are the systematic clear-cut plan. I talked to me. Actually, many of them they are genuine people. None of them are not knowing the realities what is happening in the ground level, and these all top level kachara frauds only grabbing, utilizing and selling their mother and catchy kachara covered potty. And that is the chomalali bloody boss. How many crores you grabbed? I could understand that the way you are wearing kachara. That Madhav and fraud, Jeta, this rapist frauds. Don't understand why these kachara and their Congress has to be burned alive. That's the thing. Oh, potty. How much level these levels of frauds. Actually, now they know Kamala Harris want to become the president, so these fellows will do anything. Actually, fraud. This time, for only 1 year, these fellows will put for chill blocking me completely. After that, you will be like a kutta will be thrown out like that. Your sister and like she's a greedy kachara devil. And they don't believe anybody. So I am telling, I am doing so many things, and the people now everybody is scattered and they are afraid. So I am creating awareness. I am doing so many things. Don't you? You are telling that she the one half of her kachara 2 weeks she came and sucked. That is only a bastard from August onwards. My blood is so sweaty. Everything kachara 24/7. I am running across to a potty. I will make you eat your mother's flush, mother and Priyanka's flush. Don't think that what I will be doing and you do not know about me. With that kachara you are going and chucking in a party control or cut your penis and go fraud jet. Bloody bastard. Your mother have grabbed billions, right? Some 98 something billions like that. People are telling, right? The reports. Not enough. Go to Thailand and suck. Fraud. I am telling you, not even a single person apart from Sri Lanka can defeat this lobby. Now these fellows are, see, that's what in the budget tells everything. What are the plans you have accumulated and decided? Everything these fellows are turned against you. And now they are creating, by understanding the verb, they are creating a massive, that's the reason these fellows are this much hijacking. And according to your horoscope, you are a Mandabuti, these fellows are spoiling. So don't believe anybody. I am planning so many things and I will make sure your safety. Don't go anywhere, don't move anywhere. You be in the home only. Okay? Don't talk to this or that you are, don't never believe that Kanishka Kaushal Kachara force, throw out them and you be stubborn in your things. And you even say, I am not playing around or nothing. I will be blocked. That's the only thing. But that you people can do. Stand stubborn and don't think that otherwise the entire thing will devastate. These fellows will pack you people to Italy. That Kachara, that modernized issues, number one way she will go. And today also I spoke to many people from that, and they all told that she's a Kachara dirty, will do anything for money, and she's grabbing crowds. So that's the thing she's providing this shout. Now this what is her name? That Supreshi, all these your friends gang only made her trained to that. What are the things? And that's what she was doing, everything without even asking and telling. And she is doing this to everybody. There is Supreshi. How many times? This is the Shaba. This is not your great Chandi families. That's not end up with this kind of a Veshi. I don't think that it is your fate or destiny. It's not. This is an artificial thing they are creating. This is not universal decision. Not the universe is showing all the blessings. And how many times I told that you have to make a call or you are afraid sharing culture. This is your cunningness, not that devilness of your mother. That's the thing. And yet your sister are praying. No, what are the bad words I am telling? This is nothing. You fellows are recurring much more. I should get a Nobel Prize Peace Award. That's the thing. That much I have trouble suffering, and me and my mother culture of parties for a Malayali Cherek and a non-cut of Michael. And last week you were shouting at me, bloody culture of Boston combat. You catch even will catch a fraud. So you are, that's the reason your wife even not catching your behind all the girls and catch a party chatter. If you share that way, actually this is one other thing. If you have to talk to somebody, have to talk to when you are using the third person, they will tell their own interpretation. That is the way that Somalali Kachara security was playing around the Kachara. All these levels. Party. It's more than a Kachara. Very mocking. Actually, this. So, what? So they don't have frustration at their lobby only. And they only always wanted to think, not only that, they entire lobby that. See, just the thing is, Satish Grabat, these HR in the UP lobby, these are all fellows who spoiled. These Agleshara, they are just playing puppet to make you to decide forcefully take from Kerala. And that's the only thing to block me. That's sort of all the. You do not know what this Bushwakata psychic disorder, how the level these fellows are. Actually, none of you fellows do not have the ability to understand how much level these fellows are hijacking everything. And today also I spoke to many reputed people. They are getting today, how it is possible? No. For one silly matter they are telling. I think you fellows in your see. Oh, how much I need to convince you. Actually, there is no need for me to convince you. You are not something greater or something. Actually, it's my sympathy I am showing. What will be your stage after? If you are willing that if you are getting accident, you will only get disaster, everything like that. So have some thing. You don't go anywhere. You be there. These all not. Don't believe any. Not even a single person is there to trust. For all the network, everybody is that is sort of this madness. On the back there are poisonous gases and these all the crumbs, everything daily they are putting into the water, also chemicals, everything. Chara put in eating, chara tujaring, koi ketchi, norana severa, potty into mola, just waited up, chara noy, potty. Every day in Pinai, Sichera, Maya Chivagomar, when Asha that double, don't let that double to be in conquer second party. The same way this. That Chalman Gurshit, all the culture, double potty. That what is it? Haryana that fraud and Huda actually that junior Huda that culture is a double and lacking so much a catcher parties. It's all enter to Congress party. There is no wonder that you became like this in the stress because this is not their way of strategy. So don't get into this. Actually, this today also I talked to some BJP that their strategy also I understood that I was knowing that what I am telling that is the truth and that I am justifying. So they told that their plan is to make you with this and after that they will project the rapist murderer. That is the thing. Till now you do not have you are a honest politician. That was the label. And now this fellow will project this is the thing. And like a kind of prostitute, murderer, fraud. Kachara, laugh it's is a Kachara number and prostitute. That's what is away Kachara 40. Okay. I think these all things only I'm getting frustrated and then their project is how much many stories and the culture of Portugal that driver and just throw out that bastard and don't be with these kachara devils. Okay.